evening. The date is June the 5th. I found what happens to be a construction site. I don't know if it is. It's got these Lego bricks here. What's this? Check it out later. And this must have been what was built so far. Yeah, there's the instruction manual, and I'm guessing this is what it will be when it's finished. Yeah. So, ninja! Don't kill me! I shall kill you! Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Why are you indestructible? That one's set to me being awesome. I shall kill you with my hat. Yeah. 20 minutes later. Oh, hey, did I just knock them out of my seat? They're dead. What is this guy? Yeah! What the? Yeah! Okay, so let's look at what else there is. What is this? Using my really big hand, I pick it up, and a very uncontrollable hand as well. Yeah, so what about this? What is this? What about this? I can use this. Stop right there. Oh, I can use this. Oh. Who are you? I am Master 10. Kneel before me. Why? Because I am Liar. Skylar, destroy him. Yes, Master. What? Oh, another test. No! You defeated my right-hand man and my sister and my daughter, but you defeated me. I surrender the construction site to you. Victory!